girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. And if you're old to my channel, hi love, you already know who I am. It's your girl, back again for another video. And today I'm so excited to give you this tropical look. I just was feeling so vacation time and wanting to be on someone's beach. Yes, I need to be on someone's beach. I just felt so tropical and just vacation-y and cutthroat, and that's what I'm doing for you. I'm mixing palettes, mixing everything, foundation, so you got to follow this tutorial. You gotta watch me. Let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, let's get started with the Revolution Concealer in C4, and I'm just using this to prime my eyes. Also guys, make sure you look down in the description box to check out everything that I've used down below. I'm mixing the Jaclyn Hill palette in Morphe and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'll be using the Creamsicle, which is that yellow color I'm applying in the transition shade over my crease. I'm going to be using buns, just making an ombre effect over my crease as well. After that, I'm using mocha. This will like give definition to my eyes, make it very dark, but not too dark, so when I do the cut crease, it will stand out just more. So just giving definition to my eyes. And then I'm blending very much so. Once again, make sure you guys check out the description box below to check out all the makeup details. They will be below in the description box below. Onward to the cut crease, I'm going with that Revolution C4 concealer and doing a cut crease. I'm using a flat pointed tip eyeshadow brush to help with the cut crease. My eyes are very narrow and they have a huge crease, so using that flat brush, it helps carve the cut crease. So I'm taking the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm using that blue shade right there just to start on my lid. I can't remember if that had any names, but I'm glad I was able to show you guys what the palette I was using. So just applying that to both eyes on my lid. Next, I'll be using that green color. I realized that the green color was fairly light and it wasn't showing up. So then I low-key just kind of switched to Jada in my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. After that, I'm using Obsessed right there in my tear duct, making that an ombre effect. And yeah, I just wanted to do something really tropical here, but that kind of easy and not too harsh. After I'm blending mocha in and also defining my eyebrows. I'll be using the Maybelline Master Precise liquid eyeliner to give myself a good old cat eye. I really love cat eyes, you guys. If you haven't noticed, I love those things. And I'm using a lot of concentration for this cat eye, guys. Alright, I'm taking my Revolution concealer again, but this time in the shade C13. and I am concealing underneath my eyes. Also cleaning up that eyeshadow that I applied. So making sure I get really, really deep in the fold of my eyes, because this is the softest tissue ever. So making sure I'm concealing that stuff. And I'm mixing my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410 with that concealer. I really think that gives it a nice blend, an even blend of my skin tone. It makes it a great highlight. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in 440. And then we're gonna blend this and with my sponge all over my face. I use that first sponge just to soak up all the foundation. Then I went back in with my regular sponge to blend a little bit more underneath my eyes. Now I'm adding just those colors underneath my eyes, giving it a smoky eye, smoking out my eyes as well. So I'm using my buxom eyeliner called Call Me, and I'm taking my sponge and just applying that. I love these eyelashes, the Eylure Luxe Silk Effect eyelashes. They are so soft and stacked, easy to apply. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut just to set that concealer right underneath my eyes and on my face to give it a good contour. So yeah, I wanted that contour look just a little bit, so this setting powder, it gave it to me. I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. My Benefit Cosmetics Badgal mascara. Next, m.a.c Cosmetics blush Lovejoy. I love this blush, it's so pretty. For highlight, I'm using Juvia's Place highlight in the shade Nubia. This gives me a nice glow, and girl, baby, look at that glow. So I applied it on my nose and in my tear duct and, you know, around my mouth. So to mix my lipsticks, I start with the m.a.c Cosmetics lip pencil in burnt sienna, and then I go on my Sephora lipstick called Brunch Day, and that gives it the perfect nude. The perfect nude. And I just line my lips, and then I go in. And then I blend outward using, you know, rubbing my lips together, and that usually blends those harsh lines out really well. And that is it. Make sure you guys check the description box below to check out all the makeup details that I used. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you like this look. What kind of looks you look forward to on my channel. And yeah, I love you lots. You guys be breezy, be cutthroat,